RPM is Amtech's paperless real-time production system. RPM monitors machine manufacturing activity in real time. From small sheet plants to large corrugators, RPM is cost-effective and easy to use. An out-of-box production tool, RPM is easily retrofitted to all types of machines, no matter the age. With RPM, manual production records are a thing of the past. Machine operators can focus on high-quality production instead of using paper to report their performance. RPM electronically tracks machine modes, setup, run, and downtime, waste and production counts. Data is graphically presented with a dashboard view of scheduling. All the information necessary to keep your customer promises is collected real-time, so you're always on time. How does it work? Easy. Sensors fitted to your machines automatically sense mode changes and productivity. Time, counts, and waste are reconciled from machine to machine, assuring a true measure from manufacturing to billing. RPM data is totally integrated to your Imaginera software, providing a direct link to visual scheduling, production reporting, cost estimating, and the graphical management modules of Imaginera. Let's review the major components of RPM. The plant controller is the heart of the system. It collects data from photo eye sensors and via drop cables communicates real-time production information to and from the Imaginera server. The plant controller cabinet contains 5 major components. Number 1, the main connection to the photo eye sensor network. Number 2, the device net power supply. Number 3, the device net scanner for managing communications. Number 4, the programmable logic controller, PLC, that increments and resets the piece count from each photo eye sensor and determines the operating mode of each piece of equipment. And lastly, the industrial computer that collects data and transmits it to the Imaginera server. With RPM, you get ROI. RPM means lower waste. Waste is significantly reduced through electronic waste reason reporting, which at the same time pinpoints areas in the manufacturing process needing improvement. Mandatory reconciliation of waste is accurately calculated from the corrugator or sheet supplier to the finishing machine. Lower waste means lower costs, and accurate counts equals maximized customer billing. RPM enhances your margins. You can be confident of tight job costing through RPM's precision cost estimating. RPM uses real-time data instead of estimated or standard costing for cost estimating purposes. Separate production efficiencies for run and setup allows for more precise costing of orders. You'll have the ability to sharpen your pencil without sacrificing profitability. Real-time equals realistic promise dates. RPM's historical production data feeds the Imaginera available to promise order fulfillment tool, providing your customer service department with the confidence to make and keep customer promises. Short lead times and quick turnaround are met with ease. RPM means only paying for what you receive. Keep sheet suppliers' billings accurate with machine-to-machine quantity reconciliation. RPM enhances production efficiency by providing performance targets and plant floor expectations. Your crews will visually see what's expected of them. RPM's instant replay feature quickly reviews past machine and operator performance in a convenient timeline mode. RPM includes a Gantt chart add-on to SmartPlan, allowing you to see the big picture by viewing the entire schedule board in one window. RPM graphically displays machine performance expectations with a virtual dashboard showing real-time statistics by machine and department. Drill-down production data is provided by the shift, day, week, and month to date, keeping track of production time, downtime, and setup and run efficiencies. With RPM, machine operators spend less time keying in data and more time keeping machines running efficiently. RPM means internal and external customer satisfaction. Customer service, production, shipping, and even customers are provided real-time manufacturing information through the Imaginera expediting module.
I love the dial.
Wow, that's a lot of value from a few cables in a simple black box. Now let's see how easy it is to get the system up and running. First, a member of our engineering team surveys your site. Second, you determine the number of machines to be monitored. Third, your electrician runs network cables to each machine. Fourth, our installer connects your plant controller. Finally, we crank up the machines, train your staff, and start the ROI from RPM. In less than a week, you'll be keeping it real with RPM. Real time, real data, real profitable.